doesn't really beat everything else, but
There we have it. Kozanato breakfast.
I feel like you're not a true Japanese unless you eat. It's like you're not a true Filipino if you don't eat bullet. Banger meal.
Champagne every day. Matcha latte and champagne and miso soup. I turned my champagne into a mimosa.
There's no one else in this restaurant. Just Kira and her mimosa. And 20 Japanese workers ready to go on break.
The bus dropped us off in the middle of nowhere.
You know where we are.
Big fans of Beppu. Quaintest little countryside Japanese town. Rolling green hills forever. Rolling green hills forever. We're off to find a private onsen with a waterfall.
Onigiri and asahi count. Mosquito bite count for Kira.
Oh yeah. Look at all these pretty wildflowers. I love the tomato. So good.
So good. It's really creamy.
But it's not too rich. It's like perfect. Wow. Literally best ramen we've had in Japan. And the noodles are perfectly firm. Just how I like it. I literally just had the best ramen of my life. The best tonkotsu ramen of my life.
We almost didn't get the tonkotsu.
I know, we almost didn't get the tonkotsu, and we also just walked in randomly because we were just kind of craving ramen. We were gonna walk all the way back to our hotel, which was gonna take an hour, so we were like, let's just wait for the bus and eat ramen. And oh my god, that kicks Ichiran's ass out of the water. That one was so good. It was so rich but light. It wasn't heavy and thick and too much. I'll put it in the description for literally highly recommended spot. Kikunoya. Go. get the tonkotsu, add the spicy pepper paste. It's so good. So good.
I feel like we've been searching for that
Yeah.
ramen for a while.
Yeah, we have been. Amazing. We're going back to our area.
Get some sushi.
And that's why we shared a bowl of noodles, so we can eat sushi together. We only have one more full day left tomorrow, so we're trying to eat all of our favorite things.
That was the toughest part of the whole trip, was not getting another bowl of ramen.
Yeah, and Cole actually didn't even finish the broth, but I couldn't help myself. I had to finish it. I felt like there was so much love and hard work that went into that broth. There's no way I could have left that. But it was so good. And the soft egg, the tamago, is my favorite thing ever. Never thought I'd be someone to love those eggs, but oh my gosh.
Yeah, you hate eggs.
I usually hate eggs, so yeah. Oh my gosh, it was so good. I'll dream about it forever. If you come to Beppu, that's the one thing I recommend. Plus the onsen experience today that we did. By the way, we went to the 7 Hell steamy place. The sulfur kind of made me feel a little sick, so go if you'd like. It's very touristy. We only did one. You can either choose to do all 7 and pay 22,000 yen, or just do one for 450 yen. So that's what we did. And I'm so glad we did it that way. My bad. It's 2,200 if you want to see all 7, or 450 for just one. One was just enough, but you go check it out if you like. Going to sushi. Also, my makeup is all messed up because of the onsen and the waterfall. This one, this one, this one. Oh, I got this one.
What is that one?
I wanted one of these ones. I got that thing.
What is that?
Darn it. We're gonna have to play again. I don't know why there's all these stripes. Oh, got it. This thing is heavy. What is this? Pokemon.
Oh, I've seen that one before.
I've seen him, but who
That was
is
pretty
he?
sick.
You can take him to work.
Me?
You can put him on your desk.
No thanks.
What do you mean? Cameron, if you're watching, can you please put this guy's name in the comments so I know who this is?
Dip in the shoyu. It's little fish, little rice. Sounds ridiculously good.
We have the fatty toro.
Wow, this is all our food places in one book.
Really?
How to read it? No idea. Where's the recipe?
The miso soup there.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, you don't?
What the heck is that color?
That's the color the eggs should be.
I've never seen an egg that color.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. I thought you were gonna scare me. I was like, where the F did he go? This is interesting. Look at these little squiggles. Squiggle, 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 squiggle.
It's the Beppu butterfly.
I think I also just saw my very first Japanese murder hornet. Very scary. Bigger than a wasp or a yellow jacket or anything like that. It was insane. It looked like a murder bug. It's starting to smell like sulfur.
Whoa, jellies, man.